I'm very excited about the introductory course known as the Full Arch Bootcamp that's going to be happening at the Pikos Institute. It's a very comprehensive foundational course in regards to full mouth implant reconstruction that will be happening here at the Institute. So we're extremely excited, and we'll be sharing long-term data, long-term results of cases that were done, particularly in the cases of abundant amount of bone. And these are fantastic cases as introductory cases. And this course will be shining light on the foundational requirements for a successful and predictable outcome in introductory cases, and being able to select candidates that fit this criteria. We will be talking about patient selection, the criteria for patient selection, knowing what cases are candidate for an introductory course, and being able to recognize case difficulty. Once we take care of that, we will be talking extensively about the prosthodontic and the surgical foundations required for successful full mouth implant rehabilitation, such as prosthetic space, implant positioning, implant numbers. We'll be talking about bone reduction, we'll talk about abutment selection, we'll be talking about biologic width, we'll be talking about tissue intaglio, maintenance of the hard and soft tissue, maintenance protocols, hygiene protocols, and be able to maintain these cases for a long period of time, implant selection. So it's a very comprehensive foundational course in regards to full mouth implant reconstruction. So I highly recommend that if you're feeling comfortable with routine dental implants, single implants, and you want to up your game as far as entering into the full arch arena and rehabilitating some of these cases that the teeth are hopeless and we're sort of ready for that third dentition for patients, then I highly recommend the foundational first course as an introductory course into the full arch implant reconstruction. And for that, I invite you to visit the Pikos Institute website at www.pikosinstitute.com, and we're looking forward to seeing you at our institute.